Hey guys, good morning guys. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, like I told you guys in my previous video that we're packing us from our old apartment to another place. Okay, so today will be the last day we'll stay in this house. So we're moving out today. Okay, we're moving out of this house today. So today's video will be basically empty room tour for our old apartment. Okay, so we still have some goods packed, jam packed everywhere. So when we finally move them out, so I'm going to do empty room tour to our old apartment. Okay, so I'm going to carry you guys along in the when we are moving out our things. Okay, and also show you the empty rooms. So stay tuned. Don't forget to give the video thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. All right, so I will see you in the next clip of this video. Message. Can you hear the rats? So this is my case wardrobe. This is my case wardrobe. Okay. So one of the reasons we're packing out of this house, no maintenance in the house. The house is also leaking, okay? So when you complain, nothing will be done. So we decide to move out to a better place. Okay? So this is the visitors toilet. Okay. Okay. So this is another room. This is another room. This is another room. And this is the bedroom, everybody. So guys, this is our last day in this old house. Okay, this is our last day. See, this is my sitting room. We have removed everything, just these few things that is remaining. So today is cat. These are one of the reasons we're walking out of this house. As you can see, this thing is falling down and there's no maintenance. The house is also dropping water from up. So we're going for immunization. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
So, subscribe to mommy's channel.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Don't forget to like this video.
Don't forget to like this video.
We love you.
Love you.
Oh, yeah, come over this side. We love you.
Love you.
Okay, stay then. Bye bye now.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Look at them. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You're not looking at this camera. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye bye. So, guys,
Bye bye.
so today we're going for immunization. Yes, so I'm taking my son to immunization center. Okay, so he has dressed up like I've dressed him up. So right now I want to enter bedroom and go and have my bath. So after that we'll dress and start going. We're already late, but anyhow. So stay tuned. I'm going to carry you guys along. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Subscribe if you're just coming across our channel. We love you.
Please.
So we're set to go, guys.
So now it's time to open.
Yeah.
Me.
So
Please.
I'll catch you guys later, okay?
Bye bye.
You're good. So guys, we are done. We are going home right now. Okay, we'll catch you guys later. Mwah. Ayama, remove the second one. Keep it on the floor now. Mm-hmm. Good. Keep it on the floor. Oh yeah. Farms. We just came back now. And my little daughter, my baby, is still sleeping. When we were about going, she was sleeping. She slept off, and now she's still sleeping. Actually, we didn't waste much time. That take is up to 1 hour 30 minutes that we went. So don't forget to give the video thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel, and please, if you have not been seeing me in your house, don't feel bad. I have been busy, like um definitely I'm going to show, like if I should show you my house now, everywhere is still, because like I said, we're in a new place right now. We're in a new place, but I'll show you guys later, because I'll also show you empty room tour for this new place. So we just packed in yesterday, and everywhere is still jam packed with a lot of loads and many things. If you see my bed, I've not even done anything. We just laid this bed sheet just to put our head. Okay, so today now we'll start to work. I pray that before weekend, before this week runs out, everything is going to be okay. Okay, so please don't forget to give the video thumbs up until I come your way next time. Okay, bye bye. Daddy, what are you saying? Oh, yeah, talk to them.
Bye.
Subscribe. They're not seeing your face.
Subscribe to my mommy channel.
Show your face very well. Oh, yeah, tell them.
Subscribe
Mm-hmm.
to my
Mm-hmm.
mommy
Mm-hmm.
channel.
Good.
Mhm.
Bye. Mwah. You heard him. He said you should subscribe to his mommy's channel.